Hey guys, so this video is on a hook set that I bought. I bought these for both of my kids' closets, and they were super easy to hang up. It's a Ticonn wall-mounted coat rack. It comes with 5 hooks. As you can see, it's like pretty full right now because I have my kids' sweatshirts on there and stuff. Let me just take some off so you could see it. So this is what the hooks look like. They fit plenty of clothes on here. So it comes with 5. Each hook, could easily hold like 4 items. And my kids are small, so their jackets and stuff are small. However, if I didn't have a coat rack already in my closet, I would definitely use this one. It's sturdy, holds a lot, as you could see here. It was very easy to put together. My husband just screwed it on. There's only just a couple of screw pieces that need to go in. There's like 2. There's the first and there's the second. And I put this on both of their closets, just plain white. You could get it in different colors too, but I just chose plain white to keep it simple. And it's easy to wipe clean if you need to. This is also good for like the garage, or even if you have like maybe a mud room in front of your house, so guests can come in and hang up their jackets. I did have a coat rack and it actually broke, so I think this is better and more sturdy than having one. So if you guys can put it on your wall by your front door or whatever, so guests can come in and take their coat off and hang it up, even better.